Now we are discussing about money making options. In that today we are discussing about internet service provider. An internet service provider is a company that provides the customers with internet access. There is a huge demand for the internet, thus starting this business makes sense. So nowadays in every home children will be there, they want internet, and elders will be there, they want internet for browsing, and housewives also there, they want internet for YouTube videos, cooking videos they want to see, and so many people are seeing so many ways in internet nowadays. Everyone is having a laptop nowadays in homes also, so they will do their suppose YouTube videos are there, housewives are there, that is cooking items, how to cook, all these also they will see, and websites will be there, the purpose of websites and the information they will see. Likewise for service oriented and cookery informations and so many other informations they will see. They will utilize internet very well. So every company nowadays, every home is having a laptop. In that laptop they want to see all these things, means internet internet should be there. Every company is having a cable nowadays, cable, otherwise dongle also. By any way, internet service providers are most important to do all these services. So ISP, that means internet service providers, are also most important, and it is also a profitable service. Wishing you all the best.